today we are being Carl, Wheezer, and Gorilla Tag. And I think it's going to be epic, so let's go into City.
Oh, this is a Gorilla Tag game.
Hi, Jimmy's mom. Hi, Jimmy's mom.
Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy's man.
You're not Carl, Wheezer. Are you gonna finish that croissant?
You sound more like Mickey Mouse.
Hold on. Like, I'm tall.
Are you gonna finish that croissant?
What?
Are you gonna finish that croissant? Don't turn your back on me. Are you gonna finish that croissant?
Watch out.
Can you show me?
Watch out.
I don't know how.
Who wants to play mini games?
Are you gonna finish that
I'm gonna
croissant?
fucking play minigames. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Okay, just search it
Hi,
on.
Jimmy's mom. Are you gonna finish that
I'm
croissant?
sitting down. I'm playing this game.
Are you gonna finish that croissant?
I already know how to do it on TikTok. Also,
Can I finish that croissant?
have you ever restarted your game? And
You're not Carl, Wheezer.
go on your
I'm gonna finish that croissant.
I'm taller than you.
I won't finish that
Hi,
croissant.
Jimmy's mom. Are you gonna finish that croissant?
Yeah. So what you
Bubbles! Bubbles!
look, you know how I just restarted my game and I had back up, like
I fell down. Ow.
Hi, Jimmy's mom. Are you gonna finish that croissant?
Jimmy's.
You're not Carl Wheezer. You're not the real Carl Wheezer.
how tall are you?
Are you gonna
You sound
finish that
like Kermit the
croissant?
Frog and Mickey Mouse had a kid. Huh?
And yeah, I'm also really
Hi, Jimmy's mom. Are you gonna finish that croissant? Hi, Jimmy's mom. Are you gonna finish that croissant?
Jimmy's mom.
Guys, I'm playing shit and I'm playing shit in Minecraft.
Hi, Jimmy's mom.
Are you gonna finish that croissant?
That's a what?
Hi, Jimmy's mom. Are you gonna finish that croissant?
that's how I do.
Are you gonna finish that croissant?
Wait, does anybody
I'm Carl Wheezer.
What color glitch? What color glitch? What color glitch? How do you get colors?
Hi, Jimmy's mom.
do you have to
Are you gonna finish that croissant?
No, I don't.